Ever wondered how to make your own hot and spicy Coca Cola drink at home? The allure of a fizzy, sweet and spicy concoction is hard to resist, so buckle up as we delve into the world of DIY beverage crafting. First, gather the necessary ingredients. These are a bottle of Coca Cola, a fresh red chili pepper, a pinch of ground cinnamon, and a slice of lime. It's exciting to note that each of these elements brings something unique to the table. The Coca Cola provides a sugary base, the chili pepper adds a fiery kick, the cinnamon contributes a warm spice, and the lime offers a tangy freshness. Now, on to the preparation. Start by slicing the chili pepper into thin rings. Remember, the heat lies in the seeds and the white membranes, so adjust according to your spice tolerance. If you're a thrill seeker in the realm of spicy foods, use the whole chili. If not, half should suffice. Next, pour the Coca Cola into a glass. Aim for about 3/4 full to leave room for the other ingredients. Now, introduce the chili slices to the Coca Cola. The spice from the chili will start to infuse into the drink immediately, giving it a spicy kick. Following this, sprinkle a pinch of ground cinnamon into the mix. This adds a layer of warmth and complexity to the drink, complementing the spice of the chili. Finally, squeeze in the juice of the lime slice. This citrusy addition balances out the sugary sweetness of the Coca Cola and the heat of the chili, rounding off the flavors nicely. Now, give the concoction a gentle stir, ensuring the ingredients are well mixed. Let it sit for a minute or two, allowing the flavors to meld together. And there you have it, your very own hot and spicy Coca Cola drink, crafted right at home. To summarize, this unique beverage creation involves a simple 5-step process. Begin by slicing a fresh chili pepper. Then pour Coca Cola into a glass, followed by adding the chili slices. Next, sprinkle in a pinch of ground cinnamon, and finish off with a squeeze of lime juice. Stir gently, and let the drink sit for a moment to allow the flavors to blend. This hot and spicy Coca Cola drink is not only a fun and easy DIY project, but also a unique twist on a classic beverage. It's a testament to the fact that with a bit of creativity and a few simple ingredients, you can transform familiar flavors into something exciting and new. It's time to enjoy your homemade fiery concoction. Cheers to your adventurous spirit.